oath. Nays called, 0 occur.
I declare the motion carried.
In the end, it was unanimous. Nearly all of Canada's MPs have voted in favor of an NDP motion calling on the federal government to stop appealing Human Rights Tribunal decisions on Indigenous children.
This Liberal government is fighting Indigenous kids in court. They are fighting a Canadian Human Rights Tribunal and multiple rulings that this Canadian government, that this Liberal government, that Justin Trudeau has ignored and has sent lawyers to fight.
The motion specifically addresses two cases. In one, a 2016 Human Rights Tribunal found Canada was underfunding services to First Nations, causing children to be removed from their homes unnecessarily, and the government should pay compensation. But the federal government's appeal says giving individual compensation is inappropriate in a case of systemic discrimination.
If we are going to be allies, if we are going to heal this foundational harm that has been perpetrated over all of these centuries, then this is the time to do the work.
The second case concerns Jordan's principle, the idea that a First Nations child shouldn't be denied access to services like health care in cases where the federal government and province can't agree on who should pay. Another human rights ruling said the principle should be extended to all First Nations children, but the federal government says it shouldn't apply to children without status. The motion passed with the Liberal cabinet abstaining and Justin Trudeau not present for voting. The first test comes later this month with the federal government back in court June 14th, and we'll see then if the federal appeal is dropped. In Ottawa, Xiao Li, City News.